Good?
That felt really good.
Yeah. Good.
Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic, adjustments of the back, got you feeling magic, feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic, wanna get cracked up, you can have it. Got you feeling good, got you feeling good, got you feeling, got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro. Got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro.
Do you mind telling them a little bit about like what's going on as far as your pain and
For my neck.
just just in general, neck and hips.
Neck and hips. So with my neck, I was just sleeping, turned over, and I don't know what happened. It made a popping noise, and ever since then, kind of had like a lot of discomfort. And then I was a dancer my whole life growing up, and so my hips are kind of not really moving the same or functioning how they should at this point. So.
And this is her first time coming to a chiropractor, so this is her first adjustment. So pretty awesome. All right, Caitlin, we'll go ahead and go face down for me. So first I'm just gonna just be going up and down the spine, looking for areas of tightness. So let's rest your arms all the way down here. And you said not really having too much mid-back pain at all, mainly just upper, and then you said low back as well.
Yeah, low back.
Okay. Any pain in the hip as I do that?
No.
Good. Okay. So first, I'm gonna have you scoot down just a little bit. And we're going to be adjusting this upper area right through here. So I'm going to traction down. We're going to rotate the head a little bit. A little bit further. There we go. How'd you do with that?
That was good.
Good?
Yeah. Tight through here. Go and look straight ahead for me and just rest the chin down. Good. Deep breath in and exhale as much as you can. Very good. Any tenderness as I go down through here? No.
Not too bad. Let's go ahead. I'm going to have you lay on your right side.
Like this way?
Mm-hmm. So then with this first one, this is called a side posture adjustment. So we're going to bring this down and scoot right to the front. Okay, and we're just going to be going down right through here. Deep breath in, exhale all the way.
That was good.
Good?
That felt really good.
Yeah, good. Let's go ahead and move to the other side. This arm down. So this first one, we're going to go up a little bit through here. So just rest that leg there. Good. And down through here. Very good. Okay. You okay with that?
Mm-hmm.
That first one really popped.
Yeah.
Let's just go on your back for me.
Okay.
So we're going to take a look at the neck. You said it's hard for you to bend fully to the right.
Yeah.
And do you feel it sticking on this side, or is it tightness here?
Where your hand is.
Right here.
There, yeah.
Okay. That's basically what I'm feeling. It's locked up right there, and then also, actually everything's low with you. It's like right there and right there. Okay. So this first one, rotate all the way. off that shoulder, just really relax. Try to turn all the way to the right now. How does that feel?
Yeah, that feels a lot better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. And we're gonna go right through here. Good. Okay, I know that was a lot, so just relax for a second. Okay. So, right through there, you feel that? Okay. So we're just gonna be going straight down. It's a little better there. Okay. And then here, I'm just going to be tractioning up and out, just to give that a little more space. And same thing here, just raise that up. Good. Okay. And then we're gonna take a look at the ankle here. So when you have that pain, you said it's more to the lateral side of the foot or the outside of the foot?
Yeah, kind of. If you move your thumb up just a little bit more to the front, right there.
Right there.
Mhm.
We're gonna be getting a little more motion right through here. Let's go ahead and sit all the way up for me. Let's take a look at the neck range of motion. So all the way.
Yeah, there's no pain on the. There's no pain on that side at all.
Good.
Yeah, usually there would be pain right here whenever I
Yeah.
did that. It feels fine now.
Good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Mhm.
And then ear to shoulder on both sides. That's what you're really having difficulty with.
Mhm.
Yeah, it looks even. Good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Feels good.
Good.
Yeah.
How was your first adjustment?
It was really nice. I really liked it actually. I was really scared at first,
Yeah.
and it was a lot easier than I thought it was
Yeah.
gonna be. Yeah.
Good.
Mhm.
Good.
Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic, adjustments of the back, got you feeling magic, feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic. Wanna get cracked up? You can have it.